Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 16th of September. That means today's assembly. And first of all, national news. CRPF Cobra and Jharkhand police achieved major anti-Naxal success. HM Amit Shah. Heavy rains and mudslides disrupted NH29 connectivity in Nagaland. Union Minister Kamlesh Paswan announced additional Manrega work days and relief for Punjab flood victims. Regulations should foster technology innovations, not wipe them out. Nirmala Sitaram. Mauritian PM winds up 4-day visit to Uttarakhand. And now some international news. Arab Islamic States held emergency summit in Qatar over Israeli airstrike. Bangladesh faced political deadlock over reform charter ahead of elections. Russia warned of retaliation if Europe seized its assets. Australia climate report warned 1.5 million coastal residents at risk by 2050. Sabita Bhandari became first woman Attorney General of Nepal. And US and China to resume high-level talks in Madrid to ease trade tensions. And now some sports news. India's Anand Kumar Velkumar won country's first ever senior medal at Speed Skating World Championships. Indian GM Vaishali won FIDE Grand Swiss became third Indian woman in 2026 candidates lineup. Fast bowler Mohammad Siraz named ICC Player of the Month of August. Armand Duplantis broke pole vault world record for 14th time to capture third world championship title. Now news related to business. Wholesale price inflation turned positive after 2 months at 0.52% in August. Passenger vehicle dispatch declined 9% to 321,840 units in August. Siam. US chief negotiator to visit India on September 16 for trade talks. AI-led efficiencies can contribute to 8% GDP growth target, Niti Aayog. And that's all in news. Thank you.